What you will need today is one Maven M3, or sometimes called the VDA, one M3 to J1939 cable, in about 5 to 10 minutes of your time. To install your Maven M3, we'll enter the driver's side of the cab. Once we're inside, below the dash next to the driver's side left leg, we'll use the 9-pin J1939 port and match the pins, and we'll turn clockwise to lock the cables in place. Once this is locked in place, we'll run the cables flush along the cab and mount the Maven M3 to the top of the dash. To mount this on the dash, we recommend using heavy-duty Velcro to lock the M3 in place and so it's easily accessible. And lastly, once everything is plugged in, we'll turn the vehicle on so the engine is running and we'll check the Maven M3 lights. From left to right, what we are looking for is a flashing green light, a solid red GPS signal light, and a solid red cellular service light. And as a side note, this can take a few minutes for everything to sync with the lights, but once the lights check out, we're ready to go on our way and drive. For any more questions, reach out at support@mavenmachines.com or call us at 412-499-3877, extension 1.